Hi everyone, welcome to latest current affairs. So today current affairs are world's oldest red algae fossils found in India. A group of scientists in India unearthed a pair of 1.6 billion years old fossils that appear to contain red algae. It's estimated that it may be the oldest plant-like life discovered on Earth. As per the records, until now the oldest red algae were to 1.2 billion years old, but present found algae were more old than these algae. The preserved fossils came from phosphorite deposits at Jankikund and Chitrakoot, Uttar Pradesh. Trivendra Singh Rawat to be next CM of Uttarakhand. BJP National Secretary and in charge of Jharkhand, Trivendra Singh Rawat will be the next CM of Uttarakhand. His name was announced by the party following a meeting of the legislative group in Uttarakhand, which took place in the presence of Central Party observers Narendra Thomas and Saroj Pandey. The BJP Parliamentary Board had earlier authorized party national president Amit Shah to take final decision on the next chief minister. Mallikarjuna Kharge said to become next PAC chairman. Former Minister of Indian Railways Mallikarjuna Kharge has been nominated for the post of chairman of the Public Accounts Committee (PAC) of Parliament. Kharge will take charge from KV Thomas on May 1, 2017. Now he will be entitled for a cabinet rank and an office at the Parliament House. The PAC is formed every year with a strength of not more than 22 members. Scientists developed blood tests to detect autism. Scientists in the USA have developed a blood test that has the potential to accurately detect autism in babies. Researchers at New York's Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute claims 96% of children on the autism spectrum would pick it up through the test. The test measures the level of 24 proteins that have been linked to autism. Japan launches satellite to monitor North Korea. Japan on 17th March 2017 launched a new satellite to track land and maritime movements in North Korea. The satellite will also be able to conduct surveys on the war weapons program of the secretive nuclear armed state. The launch project was conducted jointly by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. The move comes shortly after North Korea launched four banned ballistic missiles into the sea of Japan's northwest coast, alarming both Japan and US. Michael Clarke launches his autobiography My Story. Former Australian cricket captain Michael Clarke has launched his autobiography named My Story in Kolkata in the presence of the former Indian cricket captain Sourav Ganguly. This book was triggered by how he was affected by Phil Hughes' death when India were touring Australia in 2014 to 15. He was retired from all forms of cricket after the final test of the Ashes series from August 2015. First Airbus training center in Asia to be set up in New Delhi. France-based aircraft maker Airbus will set up Asia's first training facility for pilots and maintenance engineers in New Delhi. Union Civil Aviation Minister Ashok Gajapati Raju performed the groundbreaking ceremony for the training center on March 17, 2017. The center will be formed by the European aviation major Airbus. It's to be expected to be operational by the end of 2018. For more latest updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Then you will get the latest current affairs in your mail. Thank you. Please subscribe.